Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This video is on an unboxing of the Zebronics truly wireless earphones, and these are from Zebronics. These are the truly wireless earphones or earbuds, and we are gonna unbox this very soon. So let's start now. I go la 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 la. So now here we have the box. The box is totally plain here. Oh, and over here we have Zebronics Zeb Peaces truly wireless earphones. Here Zebronics Zeb Peaces truly wireless earphones, and here is the website. Then I'm just going to open this now. So it's a very pretty and a beautiful box, and whoa, that looks cool, guys. So this is the case in which you keep the earbuds, and the earbuds also charge in this. And here is the micro USB port from which you can charge this. And then simply you have the earbuds here. Oh, this is the earbuds, and that looks pretty sick, and it's very compact. It's small, and here it's written tear off, so we are gonna just peel this gently here. Here from these two spots we can charge the earbuds, and I'm going to keep this here, and the second one also over here. So the package is very nice. It's a pretty cool earbud. So rest in the box, if we take this section out, we find the USB port, the cable here, micro USB cable to charge the case. So like it goes like that inside, and the earbuds charge there. So it looks pretty sick, and they have given extra earpieces here, so by chance if this gets lost or something, you can use these. And here is the instruction manual. This one is the instruction manual, and then we have what is this? Wait, let me check. I think this is the warranty card or something. It has its do's and don'ts written over here. Yeah, so we are going to keep that aside, and now we are going to test our earbuds. So here you can see I've paired this with my Realme 3 Pro. It's showing Zeb Peaces here, and if you want to answer an incoming call when this is paired, you just have to short press on any one of these earphones. So you just have to, this is a button, you just have to short press here, and if you want to reject the call, you just have to long press this for 2 seconds, and the call will be rejected. Now if you're in a phone call, during a phone call, and if you want to reject the call or hang up the call, you just have to press it one time, short press. So now I'm going to tell you how the Google Assistant works, voice assistant. So you just have to double tap over here. So I double tap, and the voice assistant over there is activated. So you can get this around 3K to 4K. So the Zeb Peaces of Zebronics, these truly wireless earphones, are really good, and I seriously love them. So that's all for this video, and catch me in the next one.